Got it. Maybe the spirits want me by my cameras. Spirits, I am by my cameras. The cameras which will broadcast to the world this great haunt for everyone to see, or the 5 or 10 people who watch the video, whichever comes first. I'm already getting this wrong, as I was looking for gravestones on the ground. Ghost sighting area, heck yes. I got my radio set to 92.9 Spook Radio, WGST, I guess.
And that is, God is dead.
And no one cares.
You believe that?
I look around and I see and I smell the decomposition of the deity.
Oh yeah, I also don't scream and like get scared. Sorry, I'm not a good person for a walkthrough of houses because, like, I know I should fake it, but now see, I programmed all the channels in while I was waiting. There's a little bit of a wait to start, not that long, just long enough to program all the channels in order. So all I literally have to do is hit a button and ta-da! I'm on the next channel.
Stay calm. We wouldn't want you to lose your head. Or would we?
Heads, you win! That's what's insane. I like it. It's getting better. Every scene is getting better. Building up.
Remain calm, please. I'm sure we'll be back on the track in no time. How much longer? We must try and remain calm. Not going anywhere. Damage looks bad.
Please feed my baby.
I don't think everyone survived. I remember this slide. We've been here before. Dead already. We died.
This is the Barnyard, which is a add-on experience, but since we're here as media, we get that as well. Pretty awesome. I wasn't able to be here last year, so I don't know what I'm in for here, but I am walking the tarp carpet, as opposed to red carpet. Honestly, can't tell what color it is, but hey, no one's complaining. I think it's awesome.
Right. Any other pineapple splash, left is just the fuel.
We'll do the same one.
It was very mean to his son. Back in those days, he whipped children. Just he was horrible, horrible dad. His son grew up to hate him, and in return, his son killed him. So the son murders the butcher. All right, so I'm going to teach you a couple lessons on how this might be helpful so not be too bad in there. All right, so what happened is also has been that's not working out. They didn't chant. Okay, so they say that they chopped him up. Father was chopped up and married all over this. Right. That this building being probably maybe the oldest building in the country right now, right, is a gathering point for spirits, and bad things could happen. Things weren't real good from these guys right now, but there's a way to make it maybe not so crazy, and this is how you do it. There's a salt circle in there. Anybody know your mythology is stuck inside the salt circle, you're going to be safe. Nothing will actually happen to you. I'm not saying nothing's going to happen to anybody else in there, but you stay in the salt circle. Part 2, to keep away from you, whoever it may be, you have a chance if you go, butcher, butcher, where's your father, and try to get dad involved so that maybe the son don't go on and deal, all right? You're like, pretty much your protection is salt circle and butcher, butcher, where's your father? Those guys, I heard them drop the chant, but all of a sudden. So, you know, you could screw this up. Either way, the safest thing is to stay in the circle, all right? And remember, stay in the circle. This is the oldest building in the county. That's why all this stuff happens right here. And this is not working out really good for this team. Oh, they didn't chant anywhere near as good.
Bless you. So I hear if you break the salt circle, you're no longer safe.
That's exactly right. So do not break the circle. We don't have really good insurance. Did you sign the waiver?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Good.
You better not touch that stuff.
Want to see what the salt circle was?
Oh, yes.
Go ahead and just make it a little bigger.
Sorry, that was me. That barbecue went right through me.
What? We're starting to whisper. Butcher, where's your father? Butcher, butcher, where's your father? Butcher, butcher, you're sure tasty. Butcher, where's your father? Oh, that's cool. It's like Hagrid's.
Butcher? Is that you, Butcher?
Your idea of cool is a little...
Where's your father?
Butcher, where's your father? Butcher, where's your father?
He's already here! We don't have to chant anymore!
I don't know
Power of Christ compels you!
Wow, totally wrong movie.
Oh. What do you have to say?
Oh my goodness! Of course, we just turned our back on the butcher.
Alright, finally, no line. So what are we going to get here? Ooh, I don't know. This is tough. There's actually a lot of really good choices here. Alright, so it is food review time, and you know, this guy's picky, so we'll see. These are ribs, and then there's some pulled pork underneath. There's a little combination for that. There's a smoke flavor to it, but it's not like crazy strong, which is good. But these are good. Well, let's see. About the pulled pork. Okay. Now the pulled pork. Oh. It's just frame waste. It's good stuff. All right, well, that does it. That is my review of this year's Haunted Road. Thank you very much for the Haunted Road for having me out. It was supposed to be Brett and I, but unfortunately, you only got me. But that is my review of the Haunted Road. Really cool. Like I said, really good food. And the barn's pretty cool as well. So thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop.